mind to open my mind and free my thoughts.
Why, hello there!
Holy Toledo, who are you?
Why, I am not from Ohio, I assure you. Why, sir, I am Beauregard Hampstead Hassenpfeffer IV, twice removed, and I'm here to tell you about Mahatma Square Llama. And I will have you know, sir, that you can free the doors of your mind for $1.99 with Mahatma Square Llama Square.
Free my mind for $1.99?
That's right. For $1.99, you can free your mind. All you have to do is take the Mahatma Square Llama Square and place it to your forehead like thusly. You can open the doors of your mind to the universe, therefore freeing your thoughts. That's right, the Mahatma Square Llama Square, $1.99. Why, here's yours. There you are, sir.
Well, I have $2 right here.
Thank you very much. And here's your change.
Wow, the doors of my mind are wide open. And only for just $1.99.
I'm very happy, sir, that I can help you free your mind for $1.99. Now I shall retire to the parlor.